In this video of CSS, we will discuss about font and text properties. And in the previous video, we have already discussed about basic theory of CSS. If you want to learn about those things, then click on the I button which is on the top right corner. Now onwards, we will discuss about properties of CSS. Firstly, we will discuss about properties of font, which are font size, font weight, font family, and font style. The first property of font is font size. This property sets the size of the text. Note: you should not use font size to adjustment to make paragraph looks like a heading or headings looks like a paragraph. See, the font size is set. The second property of font is font weight. The font weight property sets how thick characters in the text should be displayed. Light defines lighter text. Normal defines normal characters. Bold defines thick characters. Bolder defines thicker characters. You can also use font weight like 100, 200, 300 up to 900. In that 100 is lighter and 900 is bolder. Third property is font family. With the use of Google Font CDN, you can add it to your web page. Font family property is used to add font in your web page or blog. See, the font family is changed. Fourth property is font style. Font style property is used to specify style like italic, bold, and other. Mostly font style is used to make font in italic format. See, the font is changed to the italic format. Next, we will discuss about text properties. CSS has a lot of properties for formatting text. So now we will discuss about some basic properties of text. First is color. Color property is used to specify the color of the text. See, the color is replaced with red color. Text align. The text align property is used to set the horizontal alignment of text. For example, center, left, and right. Next property is text decoration. The text decoration property used to add decoration like underline, overline, line through, and many other properties. We'll discuss about sub properties of text decoration. First is text decoration color. This property specifies the color of the text decoration. Second is text decoration style. This property specifies the style of the decoration. For example, dotted, double, solid and other. Third is text decoration thickness. This property specifies the thickness of the text decoration. Next property is text transform. The text transform property controls the capitalization of text like upper, lowercase, and capitalization. Next property is text shadow. This property adds the shadow to the text. Here 2 pixel is horizontal shadow, 5 pixel is vertical shadow, and 7 is value for blur. And also you have to mention the shadow color. If you want to add the text shadow around the text, for that you have to set horizontal and vertical value 0 and you have to set the value of blur. Next property is letter spacing. This property increase or decrease the space between the characters in the text. See the spacing applied between the characters. Next property is line height. This property specifies the height of the line. See the text height is changed. Note, negative values are not allowed in line height. Also line height is always greater than the font size. Next, we will discuss about advanced properties of text such as white space, text overflow and word break. Next, we will discuss about white space property. The white space property specifies how white space inside an element is handled. So now all have questions that what is white space? White space is any character or series of character that represent horizontal or vertical space in typography. The first value of white space property is normal. In the normal value sequence of white space will collapse into a single white space. Text will wrap when necessary and it is the default value. Second is no wrap. It is the same as normal, but in the no wrap, text will never wrap to the next line. Third is pre. In the pre value, the text will only wrap on line breaks. Fourth is pre-line. In the pre-line value, the text will wrap when it necessary. Fifth is pre-wrap. It is same as pre-line, but the white space is reserved by the browser. Next property is text overflow. Text overflow property specifies how the overflow text will be displayed. Just for the time being, remember the property overflow hidden. But this property we will detail discuss in upcoming videos. The main difference between text overflow and overflow is that the text overflow hides only text, while overflow property hides the whole overflow content of an element. First value of text overflow property is clip. It is the default value and it clips the hidden content. Second value is ellipsis. With the use of this value, the clip text displayed by the dotted. See the output of it. Next is word break. The word break property specifies how words should be break when reaching the end of the line. The first value of word break is break all. In this value, to prevent overflow word may be broken at any character. Second value is break word. With the use of this value, we can prevent overflow word. Word may be broken after the white space. With the use of the title attribute, you can specify extra information about an element. It works like a tooltip. In the next video, we will discuss about display, visibility, border, outline and height width property in detail. If you want to learn about that, so please stay with us.